morning, people of the internet. I just woke up. I look rough. I have a zit on my lip. It hurts like hell. And I can barely process anything that's going on because I'm really sleepy. But yeah. Good morning, vlog. Look at this baby. She is so cute. She slept so well last night. She's mad at me because she doesn't like it when I put the camera on her face. She just knows, but she's so cute. Okay guys, let's ignore the fact that I look like poo-poo caca right now. I'm still tired. I've done like my little morning ritual of doing my to-do list for the day, just organizing my day, and doing a little bit of reading. I'm currently reading Cultish, which you'll probably hear more about when I do my monthly roundup of books. It's so fun whenever you wake up and you're like, I'm gonna freaking vlog today, and your body is like, we're not gonna be our best. So I have a really, well, not really busy day, but I have a few things I have to do. I have to edit this week's video, and also in the afternoon, I'm going like a date afternoon with my best friend. We're gonna go watch the new Doctor Strange movie, which I am so excited for. At least I think we're gonna go watch it. Hopefully you can get tickets, but usually I like to reserve my afternoons for working out and just decompressing from the day after I finish my actual work. But that's not happening today. So I'm gonna have to work out in the morning, which is something that I hate to do. But alas, here we are. I have committed. I'm doing like a 30-day program. I'll talk about it in a little bit when I'm actually working out, but I hate working out in the morning. I'm not a morning worker-outer. I'm not a morning showerer. I like to shower at night, and I like to do my workouts in the afternoon. It's the way I have been programmed since birth. But today we're gonna do this in the morning. We're gonna work out in the morning. We're not gonna shower in the morning. I showered literally less than 24 hours ago, so we're gonna be stinky for the rest of the day. Who the hell cares? I feel like I'm just talking. It's so weird, you guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Vlogging is very foreign to me. I don't really have an aesthetic life. I don't have an aesthetic space, which is why I feel like I haven't vlogged before, but like who the hell cares? Like not, like a lot of people don't have that, and it's fine. So I'm gonna give this one a go. Let's just get into some workout clothes and actually do the damn thing. I've been following Bailey Brown's workouts for, I would say, like 2 weeks now. I found her on TikTok. She had like a 30-day Pilates challenge thing, which is like a 5-day program with some of her videos. And I decided to give it a go. I'm gonna leave her link down below, but this is what I'm doing. Her videos are pretty good. They're not super long. It's like 20 minutes daily, and every day she focuses on like a different thing. So it's pretty cool. Let's do the damn thing. This is quite literally what I look like after a workout. I didn't sweat a lot today. I usually sweat a lot more, but look at the hair. Everything is just a mess. We don't look too cute. I'm not a cute person who works out and looks good. I'm someone who works out, looks like shit while working out. Like my form is non-existent, and I also look really bad physically. It's fine. We're loving our body. We're strengthening our body. Let's do it for the health, okay? Let's do some skincare. Is lighting in my bathroom atrocious? It is atrocious, but this is the way I live. I'm gonna be washing my face with the Matcha Hemp Hydrating Cleanser from Crave. They've like repackaged this or whatever. This is just my old one that I'm finally using up. So let's wash the face. then I'll add a little bit of toner. This is a Hero Clear Collective toner, which again, I'm also trying to use up, but it is very good. I use it daily. Just gonna go do the rest of my skincare really quick, and then I'm probably gonna go downstairs and get some breakfast. Cookies. Ow. So for breakfast, I just had like a mint, like pepperminty tea and some watermelon because I'm PMSing. I'm not feeling my best. I'm not particularly hungry for anything other than chocolate. So when I get my period, or I'm about to get my period, what I do is treat myself. And hello, cookies. I just got cookies delivered to me. This is a local place called Lulis. They have the best cookies ever. I got one oatmeal raisin because I'm an oatmeal raisin lover, okay? And this is like a chocolate cookie. I'm not a big chocolate girl except when I'm PMSing. Oh, wow. Okay, this is like a brownie cookie, and I'm about to eat so much of it. Oh my god. It's so warm. Let's try the oatmeal raisin one just for shits and gigs. Oh no. I dropped the raisin. It's also really good. Okay, this chocolate cookie is saving my life. I can just feel my insides just melting with happiness. I'm very happy. Now I'm gonna do some work. I'm gonna stay in my workout clothes because I want to stay in my leggings for a little longer. I don't have to get ready until later. I was able to get some tickets. I'm really excited. We'll get ready later. Right now it's time to work. It's time to get ready. I have developed a weird rash in my chin since I last spoke to you, and the lip sit is looking really bad, which is beautiful on the only day I have to actually leave my house this week, so that's fine. Just gonna quickly put on some makeup on my face, and I pray that this kind of gets sorted out. Fingers crossed. Okay, makeup is done. Hair, as always, is a mess. It's bad. Just gonna go to the movies. It's not a crazy thing. Just, you know, I want to look alive, basically, is what I was going for. Let me show you the outfit. Let me show you what we're working with. Okay, friends, welcome to my sister's very abandoned room. Let me show you the outfit, because I like to use her mirror that she has here. The shirt I'm wearing is super loose. It's kind of linen-y. It's pretty hot outside, so I want something fresh. This is from Holiday, I think that's the name. And then for the pants, these are pants from Everlane. I'm gonna link them below. I don't know the exact style, but they're super comfy, and I freaking love them. And then for shoes, I'm not sure which shoes to go for. I have these clogs from Mango that I love, and they're very comfy. Or I have these. These are like ballet flats. They're from Zara a few seasons ago. I've had them for years. They're pink. You can't really tell, but they're pink. So it'd be like a pop of color. I don't know what I should go for, but yeah. Ultimate comfort. I'm also using my Marc Jacobs bag. I don't know the style of this. I got it at the outlet, but it just looks like this. It's very paper baggy. So this is a fit. It's pretty comfy. It might get a little colder later because the movie isn't until 5 and it's like 2:30ish right now. But I just want it to be comfortable. I never ever take chances when I'm getting my period. I always go for dark pants because I'm traumatized. Right now I'm probably just gonna take like a nap and wait for my best friend to get here. See you soon. Okay guys, I'm back home after the movie. Got some Starbucks. It's 9 p.m. and I'm drinking an iced latte. Life is good. I didn't vlog at the movie because my best friend and I did some serious like McDonald's contraband into the movie theater. I don't know how it is everywhere else in the world, but here you can't go like bring outside food into the movie, but we did. So we went to McDonald's, we bought so much stuff, and then we brought like a makeup bag with us. We came prepared. We even sneaked in like drinks. Okay, I bought popcorn at the theater, but still like we brought in like a full like nugget meal and stuff. It was a blast. The movie. Doctor Strange was never like my favorite Marvel character or my favorite movies to watch. It was good. I was so confused the whole movie. I don't know what it was. It was very weird. Loved seeing Wanda. Obviously, I'm not spoiling anything, but Wanda is in this movie. You might have seen the trailer. It was a good movie. It wasn't my favorite though. I feel like it went by really fast. Sometimes, you know, Marvel movies like they are very long. This one went by in a flash, truly. I want to show you something because I had a few gift cards from Inglot that I got at Christmas time as gifts, and I hadn't used them. So I went to the Inglot kiosk at the mall, bought some stuff. Let me show you what I got really quickly. Okay, so I got quite a few things. Lighting is terrible, I know, but this is what we have to work with. I got a makeup brush cleansing palette, which is basically, I don't know if you can see, but it's just to clean your brushes. And then I have this brush, which is, I don't know the name of it, but it's basically like a, let's see, yeah, there we go. It's basically like a silicone brush you can use for glitter. And I always thought these were like really stupid, but when the lady explained it to me, I was like, it makes sense. Then I got this Moonlight illuminating face primer, which is lovely. I tried it on the back of my hand and it's so amazing. I got this pigment in 155. It's just like a champagne-y pigment. I like Inglot pigments a lot. They're really good. And then I got this Starlight stick highlighter, which is the same like line as our primer. But I got this for my sister because I also was like cashing in her gift. And then I got this is the Aquastic. I don't know. This is a like a cream eyeshadow in the shade 12. I cannot wait to put this on my eye. When I swatched it, I immediately knew I wanted it. And then I got this pretty blush. It's really pretty. It's a shade I don't usually wear or own, so I wanted to get it. Inglot blushes are good. What shade is this? This is shade 127. This lighting is horrendous. I'm sorry. Last but not least, I got another eyeliner. This one's in the shade, I don't know what the shade is, but it's a brown. This is a brown because I have the black one and it's really good, so I just got the brown. You can never have too many brown liners, and that's everything. So yeah, that's basically it. I had a blast, got some Starbucks when we came out of the theater, just hung out with my best friend for a while at my house. We were just, you know, hanging out, talking shit. It's how it goes. And now I am ready for this day to be over. I'm so tired and I need to just get ready for bed, take off my makeup, and go to sleep. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope this was a good vlog. I'm not sure. I'm not really a vlogger. I'm trying it out. I'm testing it out. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you want to see more of these in the future. Thank you so much for watching. My mouth sit and I say goodbye. I love you and I will see you soon. Bye everybody. Mwah.